Now, as I'm doing this video, Sun International finished the day trading at 46 rand and 63 cents. This made Sun International to end the day trading up almost 3%. Now, the reason why this is important, and I said Sun International is printing us money, you'll know that the last time we spoke about this stock, I said it is very critical that Sun International breaks the 45 rands per share level, because that resistance Sun International has been failing to break since last year, which seeing it today, Sun International closing above 46 rand, it makes me to be really excited. I'm very happy. I mean, I'm not a technical guy, many of you will know, but I must say I've got a friend who's a technical analyst who just told me that this level that Sun International is at, I think it is a pretty good level that shows, or which is indicating that Sun International might continue surging, which, by the way, after today's at the end of the market, I was up over 31%. Seen on the screen onto Sun International, which shows you that I'm continuing to print money with this company. I'm continuing to print some good returns because of what we are seeing Sun International doing. Because of the pandemic, I mean, Sun International found themselves at 2020 dropping below 10 rands per share, and seeing them at 46 rand and 60 cents. It is something that I must say is pretty exciting, relieving to see how far Sun International has came from. I mean, this Sun International once traded over 100 rands per share, and I'm not saying it's gonna go there anytime soon, but the chances are very high that we are going to continue seeing, or maybe by the end of this year, I might find myself sitting close to 100% onto this Sun International stock, because my average onto the stock is around 35 rands per share. So I'm happy, I'm excited. Sun International, there are so many things that which they are doing, which is resulting in investors liking this company. I mean, their recent transaction, or one catalyst or something that makes investors to be really excited, is of course the acquisition of Piedmont Group, which they just or they are in a process of acquiring, which it's very important because it is going to boost their gaming industry, their hotel industry, by adding more rooms, by adding more games, because one of the popular investments of Piedmont Group is Emperor's Palace. Those of you that are in Gauteng, you will know, if you know that place now will be falling under Sun International, which is something that is pretty exciting, and it will grow Sun International investment. You will know that during the pandemic, Sun International had of course investments, or had other hotels outside of South Africa, or outside of Africa rather, called Sun Latam, where they sold all their positions outside, and now it shows, or it appears, that they are strengthening their positions or their foothold here in SA, which is very interesting to see them, or which is why we are seeing them acquiring some of these traveling and leisure industry to strengthen their position in this hotel and leisure industry. So I'm happy, I'm excited, man. I mean, it is so much that is still expected to be seen, or there's so much growth that is still expected to come in the traveling and leisure industry, especially coming from the pandemic. And guess which companies are going to still benefit from that? You guess it right, Sun International is one of the companies that is positioned well to see growth into their revenues, to see growth into their developments, and we look forward to see that growth. And the more growth we see, is the more the share price or the market will reward Sun International, and will continue printing money using this stock, or from this stock, which is something that is just absolutely great. So I'm happy, I'm excited. I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think. Are you owning this stock? Have you bought it yet? I mean, I've done videos when I was I think 2 weeks ago I was up 21%. I did a video, and right now I'm already up 31%. So if you tell me if you hold this company, and or if you hold any traveling and leisure industry company or JSE listed stock, because these are companies which are set to do very well, and those that are investing into this company will definitely be rewarded, especially those in Sun International, which is my favorite traveling and leisure stock. We are definitely going to be rewarded, because over and above the gains that we see, Sun International pays some good dividends, which these dividends over and above the good gains that we are seeing, it's just so incredible, and it makes sense for you to be investing onto a company like Sun International. But of course, these are just my opinions. I'm not saying do this, go buy Sun International, because I'm not certified to tell you or to give you that kind of an advice. But as for me, this is a company that it's very close to my heart locally, and in fact it is my second largest holding, and I'm going to continue loading and holding onto this company because I know that we shall continue seeing money printing, or this company will continue printing me and those that own this company some money, which is why, or the primary purpose why we invest into the stock market. So I'm happy, I'm excited. I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. It is always good that you do your own due diligence before you make a precise decision on which company to buy, or you go to a financial certified advisor. They give you advice on what you can buy. But this, like I said, are my opinions. This is what I'm buying, and I'll tell you what I'm buying because yeah, hopefully it gets to assist some of the people that are just maybe investing into the stock market. Whether you are a beginner, you've been doing this thing for some time. I mean, I give you details, updates on some of the stocks that are listed, or some of the popular shares that are listed in the JSE, which is why if you are investing in the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, or if you are buying shares, this channel might just be right for you. So make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, click on the notification bell so that I don't get to miss any opportunities, because those that bought maybe 2 weeks ago when I did a video when I was up 21% to Sun International should be on a green, which is something that is very that would be very good for them, right? Otherwise, that's all from me. Let me not waste any more of your time. I'll see you in my next video, and God bless you all.